Let me be clear when I say that I am really big on efficiency. Efficiency. I'm gonna use this in place of a leave-in, and then I'm gonna follow it up with the Edge Booster Gel that I love. We're gonna do a wash and go like we always do. Why do a detox and not do a wash and go when your curls are supposed to be at their peak of poppingness? Their peak of poppingness, man. Ooh, look at that. Do you see the curls, baby? Do you see the curls, baby? Do you see the, oops. Do you see the curls, baby? Yes. Okay, so these are the wet results. These are the wet results. And I can't tell you if this is good for split ends, but what I can tell you is that if you have split ends, you need to cut them. Like, there's nothing that's going to cure your split ends. You need to cut them. So for this, personally, hello loves, welcome back to my channel. I'll subscribe. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Key, aka Natural Debutante, and I am back with another video. Another one. We are back again. And in this video, we're doing a product review. You know, I love doing product reviews. And we are going to be reviewing the rice water collection from Mielle Organics. So, let's discuss. So I got 3 things. I picked up 3 things from them, and it took them over a month to send me these products, which was really annoying because that's annoying. A month, bruh, a whole month, like, come on. I got their, what is this? Clay mask. I got their moisturizing milk, and I got their split end therapy. I know they started adding more products to this collection, but I got these before. I haven't been shooting videos as much just because it's been difficult with the climate of the world, climate of the country that I live in, the United States, if people are watching this outside the United States. And it's been challenging as a Black woman, as a Black person. So I haven't been filming. It's been difficult to get on camera and fake the funk, you know, I can't fake the funk. So I'm feeling better, so I'm gonna get back to reviewing things, but we're just gonna hop into the video. But I have some thoughts, so I'm gonna go through them as I put the products on. So I'm gonna start off, I already washed my hair. I'm gonna start off with the rice water clay mask. From what I understand, it says it's a mask, it's a perfect detoxifier, blah, blah, blah. When I first felt this product, it just feels like it's not gonna be, like, I just don't think I think it may detoxify, but I feel like I'm gonna have to follow up with a deep conditioner. Let me be clear when I say that I am really big on efficiency. Efficiency. If we can make 3 steps into one, that's me. That's where I want to be. Okay, I love doing my hair, but I also don't want to take all day to do my hair. So I'm gonna put it on. We're gonna go from there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this split end therapy because, like, to me, if you have split ends, you need to, like, cut them. You need to cut them. Like, why are we holding on to dead things? You know what I mean? Like, why are we holding on to split ends? You know what I mean? Who am I to say? So let's see. It says for split end prevention, apply to ends of hair, place a plastic cap on head, and leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse and proceed with shampooing. Well, I already shampooed my hair, so you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put it on now during this phase of our lives of deep conditioning. So I already washed my hair with my new favorite. Let me show you what it is. This is my new favorite from Carol's Daughter, child. This is real good. This is real good. It is a water to foam shampoo, and you can feel it like going on your scalp because it's a liquid, and then you start rubbing it in. It feels really, really good. So I'm gonna apply this with the mask. So the only thing I'm skeptical, I don't use, let's start with rice water. I don't use rice water. This is the consistency. It's pretty liquidy, which is interesting. I thought it would be like a little more of a oilish type thing. I say probably a dime-sized amount, which really means a quarter-sized amount for naturals. So I'm gonna use 2 dimes, okay? And then I am going to take Mielle, the rice water. I don't use rice water, so I've tried it. I just was not consistent with it. And so, I mean, when I saw this and it was like $5, I was like, oh, okay, like that's cool, I'll try it. The only thing that I really was intrigued about was the rice water leave-in and then this mask. So the reason why is because I really like clay masks, but the clay masks that I make myself are always very moisturizing. So I don't need to deep condition afterwards, but I'm assuming I will. It's going on okay. It does smell good. This is what we're looking like. Curls are definitely coming back for sure. I like the smell. Like, I like the scent. It feels a little dry. This is a full wash day for me, so when I do a full, like you doing a full wash day, I normally do a pre-poo. So I pre-pooed last night doing the coconut oil pre-poo prior to doing this. I feel like my hair is responding really well. Like, I felt like this was going to be very drying, but it hasn't, or it doesn't feel like it yet. I'll see once I rinse it out, obviously. I let the mask sit on my hair for 15-20 minutes-ish, and then I rinse that out, and then I put on a deep conditioner because my hair was feeling super dry still, and I just needed to get some moisture back. So I did that. My hair looks good from what I'm seeing. And again, I have all these lights on me, so maybe it looks better than it really is. We're gonna get into it right now. Curls are defined, so let's start there. Detoxing your hair does help your curls pop, and then following that up with a deep conditioner definitely will help your curl pattern for sure. So the curls look good. My hair feels soft. It's not as soft as when I do a Aztec clay mask, but it still feels soft. So I'm now going to follow up with this rice water moisturizing milk. I love milks, love milks. They have another hair milk that I really love, and that's the Mielle avocado hair milk. I really like that one as well, so I'm hoping this is just as moisturizing. I'm gonna use this in place of a leave-in, and then I'm gonna follow it up with the Edge Booster gel that I love. We're gonna do a wash and go like we always do, because why do a detox and not do a wash and go when your curls are supposed to be at their peak of poppingness? Their peak of poppingness, ma'am. If my hairs are at their peak, my hair is at its peak of poppingness, we will be doing a wash and go. So I'm just gonna put some of this on here and we'll see how this looks. It's lighter than the avocado one for sure. So my hair still feels dry even after deep conditioning it, and maybe I just didn't leave the deep conditioner on long enough, but it's okay. We'll see what this does. So it soaks right into the hair, which is really nice. It is, ooh, look at that. Do you see the curls, baby? Do you see the curls, baby? Do you see the, oops. Do you see the curls, baby? Yes. This does feel very moisturizing. It's definitely helping bring some moisture back to my hair because sweetie, that mask, baby. So that's what the curls are looking like. It definitely does feel moisturized. It doesn't have a strong scent like the mask does. And it's not, the scent isn't that strong, but it doesn't have a scent similar to the mask. So I'm just gonna follow this up with my gel, and then I'm gonna do that throughout the rest of my head, and then I will be back to show you the final results. Okay, so these are the wet results. These are the wet I am not a fan right now. I'm not a fan. The hair milk was working. Ugh. I'm just not a fan. I'm not gonna speak too soon. I'm gonna go sit under the dryer, let my hair dry, and then I'll be back to show you the final results. So stay tuned. All right, so I am back and I did my makeup. This is actually the next day. I was not feeling like discussing this after the first day, but it is the next day. This is what my hair is looking like, and let's just get into the review. So we started off with the clay mask, the rice water clay mask, and this is how much of the product they use. So there's still a significant amount left. I sniff everything, I don't know why. But I don't really feel like this did a lot for my hair. Did I feel like it cleansed my hair? Yes. Do I think it was a detoxing mask like I normally have when I use a clay mask? No. I do not think it detoxed my hair, but I do think that it cleansed my hair. But normally with the clay mask that I make, it's moisturizing at the same time. This was extremely drying. Like, this did not help with my hair moisture in any way. Like, this was extremely drying. I had to put a deep conditioner on afterwards, and I didn't use a super intense deep conditioner because I was like, oh, it shouldn't be that bad. But like, bruh, no. I should have done a like really, really good deep condition because this is super drying. I would not recommend this because there's so many other clay masks that you can make on your own that would be better for your hair and more moisturizing. It did help with my hair, with my curls a little bit. It did help with my curls. So it was cleansing. I will be using it because I paid for it, but I would not purchase this again. So another thing that we used while I was using the clay mask was this rice water split end therapy. So it says it's good for length retention and it's for daily use. I can't tell you if it's good for split ends, but what I can tell you is that if you have split ends, you need to cut them. Like, there's nothing that's going to cure your split ends. You need to cut them. So for this, personally, I don't recommend buying this, but since I already bought it, I'm going to use it. But I also thought that this was going to be a thicker oil. Like, when they say split end therapy, my assumption was that it was going to be a oil or something thicker to make it easier when there is friction on your ends. So if your ends rub together, there will be oil on there, so it will be easier to pass as for it to like rub against something or touch like other parts of your hair. This is super watery, and if you have split ends, you need to cut them. Split ends are not something that you can just keep in. Eventually it's going to like fix itself. Like, that's not how it works. You have to actually cut your split ends. It's kind of like heat damaged hair. Like, yes, you can do things to help your heat damaged hair, but if your hair is truly heat damaged, it's not coming back, and you're going to have to like let it grow out and continue to cut it. I don't really know why you would need this, but it's a cute bottle. And the last product that I got was this rice water moisturizing milk. So I don't feel like it was like super moisturizing. I felt like it was somewhat moisturizing, but have had better. Compared to their avocado hair milk, it is not moisturizing. But compared to other hair milks that I've had, it is moisturizing. So it's kind of in between. It is not moisturizing, but it's not overly moisturizing either. I think I would repurchase that again. I think I would repurchase it again. I don't necessarily know if I'd recommend it because there are other moisturizing hair milks that are actually really, really moisturizing, and I don't have to sit here and go back and forth about it. That's it, bro. Like, that's it. That's all I got for this hairline. That's all I got for this line. I really do love Mielle products, but this line for me, he was not it. Like, it's just not it. I don't know what the deal is, but it wasn't working for me, and I low-key just want to wash my hair again so my hair can be moisturized and last throughout the week. Like, I feel like my hair is gonna break off because it is so dry with these products. If you have bought the rice water collection and if you enjoy it, please let me know in the comments down below so then we can chat, because like maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. And that is the end of this review. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.